What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the center double lift. Let's get into it. Now to start off, we're just going to riffle through the side of the deck and wait for the spectator to say stop. So let's say about here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pinch up the top half of the deck. So thumb here, pointer finger here, pull up with the pointer finger, push down with our thumb, and pretty much open it up kind of like this. And now once you open it up, you're going to want to riffle off 2 more cards using this thumb. So 1, 2. And you want to make this seem as discreet as possible because you don't want the spectator to hear 2 cards, or you don't want them to see 2 cards being riffled off using the thumb. So make it seem as quiet as possible, or if it's too loud for you, then talk over it or something. Just make sure that they don't feel like they know what's going on. Now once we're in this position, we're going to come over with our middle finger of our right hand, or whichever hand you're using that's not holding the deck. Right, we're going to come over with our middle finger, and we're using this corner of these 2 cards. We're going to pivot this packet about the ring finger that's holding the deck. So it's going to look something like this. Here, we're going to pivot this packet. Let's see if I can get a good view. Pivot this packet about the finger like this. And now the point that we're going to release with these 2 fingers is once we get here, once this bottom corner clears this flesh part of the thumb here. Once that's clear, that's when we pretty much release with our pointer finger and thumb. So now we will come here and we pivot around this ring finger here. So one more time, do this, riffle off, clear the flesh part, release with these fingers, pivot about the ring finger. Now once we're here, there's a couple things that you can do. I'll just go through 2 variations of how you can get this card. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push over this card in this direction. So just like this, and we're going to continue pushing it with our middle finger and our pointer finger as we turn over our wrist. Okay, so one more time. Here, do this, clear that off, and push over using our middle finger and then our pointer finger. So it'll come like this. Now the first thing you can do is come over with this hand and pretty much pinch this corner. And before we actually even pinch this corner, you want to come here and push this forward in this direction and sideways in this direction. And this will ensure that this card is completely squared up when you grab these 2 cards. So now once the cards are squared, you're just going to pinch this corner, pull that out, show this card to the spectator, close it, put that card in the center, or whatever you want to do, and there you have your double lift. Now for the second variation, we come around doing the same thing. And now once we push here though, using our middle finger and thumb of our right hand, we go to this corner, the top right corner when the card is facing you, and the bottom left corner, we grip it with our middle finger and thumb. And now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate it using our pointer finger. So we're going to rotate like this, straighten out the pointer finger so it rotates all the way. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pinch this corner of the card using our pointer finger and our middle finger, but not pinching too tightly, just pinching that much. And once we pinch this much, using kind of some sort of a momentum, we're going to pretty much let the card go down like this. And now the chances are the cards are not going to split, but there's 1 in like 50 cases for me where the card actually splits. So I'm doing this. It usually doesn't split, But once in a while, if you're going too slow or something, or if the cards are pretty much brand new, then chances are they're going to split. So this one's not 100%, but it looks really cool and flashy. And that is the center double lift. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know what you guys think of the center double lift and what tricks and places that you'd use it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.